Alright, so what we're going to do is I'm going to make a chipbag in Canva, and I am going to measure at 8.5 by 11 paper, so I can get good accurate, good measurements. So first I'm going to fold this in half. And then take the half and fold that in half. Because when you do your chip bag, that is how it's going to be, right? Bring it over just a little bit. So it's a little tiny gap in between, but it's fine because I will fix that from my measurements. So basically what you do, ruler, so you know that this is going to be about 5.5. So your main part is going to be about 5.5. And then your side panels are going to be about I'll say about 2.75 or either be between 2.6 or 2.7. Because in Canva you don't have the 0.5, so you can't do 2.75. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do because that's the half. So I'll say about 2.6 or 2.7. Once we get in there, we can decide what we want. So these is the panels. All right, so let's use this measurement here and let's put it in Canva. All right, I'm back. So now let's get started. So what we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and use those measurements and make this chip bag. So which I have done, of course, right here, but I'm going to just make another one. So when I say that we can either do 2.6 or 2.7, we're going to use the 2.7. So I'm going to go to Elements, and I am using the free version. I do have a paid version, but we're going to work on the free version. So we're going to go to Elements, and I am going to start with, I'm going to start with my top. And that is normally, I do 0.5. So we're going to do 0.5. Why? No, I just want to act crazy. I don't know what that got going on there. Oh, I want to act crazy. There we go. Well, it wants to. Okay, we're gonna leave it like that. For some reason, I don't know why it's acting crazy. I want to do 0.6, but okay, I feel you. All right, so we're doing 0.6. And then for the sides, this is what we're gonna do. Just gonna go ahead and do our 2.7. Right. I'll make it a little longer. And then I am going to duplicate it and then just make sure I put this on this side. That way our middle, just wanted to show you, our middle comes out to the 5.5. See? The middle is the 5.5. But we know we're going to do that, so we don't have to put that one. You can put that if you want to. I'm not going to. I just did it here so you can see that there is different shapes here, different rectangles and things like that. But we are going to go ahead and design. So I am going to select this and hit shift and select this one here. And Let's do some kind of pink. Um, and I'm going to go to my little Easter file and see what I want to put in here as a background. Mm, I'm gonna use this one. Um, Let me go back. Trying to see if something adds up to like that. That color look a little off. Uh, let's just use this one. Alright, so I'm gonna put this in the middle. If you double click on it, you can adjust it how you want it. And then go ahead and put these on the sides. And you just use those as your guide. And bring down some. Alright, so I am going to put these, bring these to the front. And actually, let me change this color. Definitely. And what I like about Canva is because I have this as like the main bigger picture, it gives you the colors. So I'm just gonna go ahead and use this. There you go. So boom, we have that. And I'm gonna go ahead and go, let me see if they have some Happy Easter elements we can use with the free version. Happy Easter. Let's put little eggs or something on here. See, that's with the Pro. So we don't want to use anything that has the, little crown. But you can use all this other free items also. Now, if I did have the free version, then you can use things like that. But we don't. Well, something like that. Mm. So you can use what's in here, or you can pull in your own designs, just as I did with my backgrounds. So let me see. I have a few things here, but do I want to spell out Happy Easter? No, I don't. Not on the live. Well, not on the recording. So let's see. You can even put, oh, I have some little coloring pages. So you can put coloring pages on there. I've seen people do that. I like this one. This is cute. Let's see. What else I have? Well, it's a new laptop, so I have I don't have a lot of things on here. Um, ooh, let me bring that over. I like that. I like this one too. And more digital paper. But let's work with that. What's one to see that was close in color? Cause if you don't want to use that, I can use this background for the sides. So that's cool. But we're gonna stick with what we have for tutorial purposes. Um, if I wanted to put, this on here as the main thing to color. Now you can do all kind of things. I can put this on the something small on the side panel. And we need a barcode. So yeah, barcode. Yeah, barcode. Let's see if I can put an Easter barcode. Mm-mm-mm-mm. That's like three of them. Happy Easter. We just do the colors too. Oh, I don't want to put it out the way. It's just things we get in just so we can do the tutorial. And then you can say something here if you want to, or put another coloring page. Let's do another coloring page. Let's do this one. In the middle, and put these in the middle. There you go. And that purple line says use in the middle. All right. There we go. There we go. And we can be done right there. Simple, easy. That is your chip bag. You can design it how you want. If you want to put words right here versus a picture, you can. If you just want to, leave it blank and don't put anything on the side panels, that's fine. You can put a picture. So let's say, um, you know, this was a picture of a person or a kid or something. You can put that right there and call it a day. Sorry. So yeah, the opportunities are endless. We're doing chip bags. There is no right or wrong way to do chip bags at all. Also, and yeah, that's about it. So I will do another live at a later time with me assembling the chip bag. It probably won't be the same design, but it'll be one where I assemble it to show you how to put it together. But anyways, thank you very much for watching and stay tuned for the next live. probably next week or in a couple days of putting it together. Bye.